Sai Ram, welcome to our Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. You are learning Let's Learn English series and you are learning small letter words which are continuation of the previous lesson, and your coach name is Mrs. Kalpana Heblikar. Yes. So now let us learn some more words, okay? Small words with the consonant W. So consonant W has how many sounds? Yes, only one sound, but that is very confusing. Okay. So W as in V. Okay. So the sound is V, not W. Okay. So water. See, water. We don't say W-ter. Okay. Or we don't say W-ool. Okay. It is wool. V. It is wool. V. Week. W-E-A-K. Week. So the sound of W is V. Don't forget. Okay. So water. W-A-T-E-R. Water. Wool. W-O-O-L. Wool. Okay. Now we will come to the letters. We are going to start with two letters. So wherever the letter is having two letters, we can make two letter words. Otherwise, we can have three letter, four letter, as many as we want. Now, I am telling, see, W and E. So W is a consonant or is it a vowel? Yes, consonant. And E is a vowel. So there are only 5 vowels: A, E, I, O and U. So every word should have at least one consonant and one vowel in it, otherwise it can't be a word. Okay. So V, W, E. So V, E, V. Then win. So when you win something, it is W-I-N, win. W-I-N, win. So when you win something, you are saying win, V-I-N, win. But it is not V-I-N, it is W-I-N. But the sound is V-E-N, V-E-N, win. Okay. Then was. I was going to go. Means yesterday you were going to go. I was going to the doctor. So I was going means yesterday you were already was going, not today. Okay. W-A-S, was. So B-A-S, was. Okay. Then wake. W-A-K-E, wake. W-A-K-E, wake. See, when you get up in the morning, it is called I wake up. Okay. I wake up. So you can say I got up, but wake up is sounding very better, better English. So wake up. The alarm clock rang and I woke. So wake up. Okay. Then wind. W-I-N-D, wind. Can you see the wind? No. But wind is very important for our life, right? Only when there is wind, that is air, we can breathe in and breathe out, right? If there is no wind or no air, what will happen? We can't breathe in, neither we can breathe out. So, wind is very important. W-I-N-D, wind. So, when you go to different places, lonely places, sometimes you can hear the wind sound also, zzz, like that. So, wind, V-I-N-D, wind. Okay. Then we have wisdom. Wisdom means we can say my grandfather has lot of wisdom. That means he knows many things. Okay. So wisdom, V-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. V-I-S-D-O-M, wisdom. Okay. Then wolf, see, such a beautiful animal. Yes, it is a wild animal, okay. It is not, it looks like a German Shepherd dog, okay, from far, but when you go near, you can make out that it is a wolf, okay. So, wolf, W-O-L-F, wolf, but the sound is V-O-L-F, wolf, okay. Then watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch, W-A-T-C-H, watch. Again, see, W-A-T-S-H, watch, watch. Then we have well, W-E-L-L, well, W-E-L-L, well. So, V-E-L, well, okay. Then waste. So, W-A-S-T-E, waste. So, what is waste? Which you don't want anything, we are throwing in the dustbin. So, it is called waste, okay. V, that is W-A-S-T-E, but the sound is V-A-S-T-E, waste, okay. So, now do you remember what I told you in the last class about watch? Yes, all of you remember? Very good. Okay, let us see what Bhagwan Sri Sathya Sai Baba says. Watch your words. Okay, so we have to watch our words. It's not simply wearing a watch and being proud that I am having this Rolex watch and all that. But watch has a meaning for that. Okay. So, it says watch your words, W-A-T-C-H, watch. So, watch your words, whatever you speak, you have to watch it carefully. You can't just speak whatever comes to your mouth, okay? Because words once spoken cannot be taken back, okay? So, if you are scolding your friend very badly, okay, for a small mistake which he or she has done, and suppose, the other friend will feel very bad, but after some time you will realize that is not your friend's mistake, but somebody else has done it, but you scolded your friend, so you can't take those words back, okay. Your friend will never forgive you, but even if he forgives you with his good heart, he will keep that in mind. It is like a glass. When a glass is broken, even if you put Fevicol or Fevikwik and try to fix it, the scar will remain, the mark will remain, okay. So, it is the same way. So, words once spoken will not be taken back, cannot be taken back, okay. So, we should always watch your words. We should speak as less as possible according to Swami. Then, watch your actions. Now, whatever you do, actions means what? We are not dancing always, right? Whatever we do, see, we are picking the book, we are going to school, we are sitting in the chair, we are talking to the teacher. Those are all called action words. So, what are action words called? Verbs, okay? Verbs are also called action words. So, we'll come that time. I'll teach you that when we do the grammar lessons. Okay, so actions. So, we should be very careful about our actions also, because whatever we do today will give us fruits in the future. So, it is like sowing a tree, okay. When you sow the seed inside, okay, that is the action what you are doing, okay. So, you are putting seed in the soil and after some time it grows, okay. So, if you are putting thorny plant, then you will get thorny tree, okay, or a thorny plant, okay. But if you are putting a nice beautiful flowery plants, you will get flowers, beautiful flowers. So, watch your actions. So, whatever action you do today, it will come in future back to you. So, you should be very careful. Now watch your thoughts. Now what do you mean by thoughts? Thoughts means, whatever you think. We are all human beings, right? So we think, keep on thinking. So in our mind, right now we both are sitting opposite each other. Okay, I'm also thinking in my mind what is going on, what is for tea, and what is this, what is that, where will I go after next. It goes on. In your mind also, when she is going to complete the course, when she is going to finish this lesson, so that I can go out and play in the playground, right? So thoughts, we should not give more attention to the thoughts. It is in our hand to control our thoughts. Okay, now how to control the thoughts? We are just going to say that no, whatever you say, my duty is to learn and to listen to the teacher, and the teacher will say, my duty is to teach the student. So whatever thought comes, I will not mind it at all. I'll be doing my work. So the thought control. So slowly, thought will think that yes, she is not listening to us, so it's better not to trouble her. So the thoughts are in control. So then watch your character. Now what do you mean by watch your character? Yes. So as small children, what we have to do is, character means we should not do anything wrong which is not according to the rules of the society. Okay. So we should not do anything wrong. So first think before what you are doing and then you do it. So watch your heart. Now what do you mean by heart? We can't take out our heart every time and see, yes, I'm watching you. Are you pumping properly or what is that? No. Watch your heart means your heart should always be pure. We say that God is Hrudaya Nivasi. Hrudaya Nivasi means what? He lives in our heart and He is always there in us, within us. So whatever, we have to say, He is our best friend. Okay. So whatever we want to tell, we have to tell our friend inside us, not keeping on, blabbering outside and telling everybody. Because nobody is going to come to our help. Only God is going to come to our help. Okay. So watch your heart and watch your habits at the meantime. So what are we doing? Habits. Some people have the habit of chewing pan, or those betel nuts, or we have some other vices we have. Some people have. So we should control them. So we should not do, because it is bad. Okay. So God will not like. So whatever we do, we should first think whether this will be accepted by our God or whether God will not like. Okay. So these two things we have to keep on asking us again and again. So when we are small, if we are keeping on asking, then when you grow big, it is easier for you to do only good. So this is what Bhagwan Sri Satya Sai Baba has said. Okay. Yes. So all of us, we have done a very good lesson till now of watch. Watch your words, watch your thoughts, watch your actions, watch your character, and watch your heart and habits. Okay. So thank you for visiting Sri Satya Sai Lok Seva Gurukulam online classes. I hope you are enjoying the classes day by day. Thank you. Sai Ram.